Hi, YouTube family. This is Iris. I know it's been a while, but I wanted to share a moment with you. So, I have just commuted back home from my professional training. I've been away for quite some time, a few weeks now, and I get to be home for the summer. So, I'm very, very excited. But your girl treated herself to some plants as a end of the season kind of celebration. So I wanted to show you the current status of the garden. So let's take a look at what the garden looks like. So my morning is going to be to TLC this space. It's a little challenging because my husband has been doing some around the house DIYs, so he hasn't been able to get out here, but I wanted to show you what it looks like.